Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how we can combine shapes in your interface designs and projects on Figma. So let us get started. Head over to your project on Figma, and as you can see I added two shapes to that page here for demonstration purposes, a blue rectangle and a green circle. Now to combine these guys, simply left click on the first element, press and hold left shift on your keyboard and select the second element to select both at the same time. What you want to do after that, guys, is take a look at that panel here on the right hand side. Here at the top you will see how many objects or elements are currently selected, in this case here two. So here to the right you will see these three dots, more actions. Click into it and select the option create component, or use the shortcut Ctrl-Alt-K, just like that. After that, simply again click into these three dots. As you can see now both objects are one component. Click again into these three dots here and select union from that drop down menu, or use the shortcut Alt-Shift-U on your keyboard. And there you go. Now both shapes have been combined into one. As you can see, both feature now the same color, and you can customize and edit them as if there were one object. You may also change the color if you like by clicking on that color rectangle here under fill and select the custom color here, or adjust the transparency or opacity. And that's basically it. Now we can adjust, customize and edit that component just like that. And that's how it works, guys. That's how you combine shapes in Figma. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.